Type 2 diabetes is the one that obesity causes. So these kids, when I would see them, they weren't actually eating any differently than the average 8-year-old, nor were they exercising any differently than the average 8-year-old. And that was sort of like mind blowing and eye opening because, you know, when I first started this 25 years ago, I was naive and I just thought sort of that the equation was simpler than it really is. And so I began to sort of investigate and try to scientifically in my lab to try to understand why these kids were getting sick so soon, so quickly. And a lot of them were actually the kids of parents who had weight issues. It's a long-winded way of saying that childhood obesity, while they still play a role, they don't play as big a role. Meaning I've seen families who basically have one child out of 3, let's say, and all 3 children eat the same and exercise the same, and they're growing up in the same household, yet one child is struggling with obesity and the other 2 are not. And it really becomes their genetics, their epigenetics that are driving them there. I'm saying that some of the risk is passed on epigenetically, some is passed on genetically, some is passed on just from the in utero environment that the baby's developing in.